So here's how to change account location on Roblox PC. As you can see, we're currently in the Roblox homepage. Keep in mind that there's no specific option to change your location on Roblox itself. So let's first open up a VPN on the device. You can use any good VPN that you like. For this video, I will be using Hotspot Shield, but you can use any other that you like. Then select the region that you want to connect to and click on Connect. Once your VPN is connected, your location will be displayed as the one you've selected on the VPN. Now, just go ahead and reopen the Roblox application. It's better to close it first and open it again. Now, if you start playing any game, you will be put in the servers specific to your selected region. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily change your account location on Roblox PC.